guys, today we're gonna do CSS shapes and animations part 2. Of course, and this is mainly gonna be about animations, but of course we first need to make a square. We're not gonna go to win because you've already learnt this stuff, haven't you? In hopes that you remember. Note, I will be doing the quiz at the end of this video. Anyway, you know the basic way to make animations, but today I'm going to level up that. First, animation name, as you already know, and does animation duration, and does animation iteration count. But I'm going to teach you multiple things today. But first, I need to get my animation up and running. So, first, I'll give you a quiz. What's the title? At keyframes. I probably shouldn't have said keyframes. And then, the animation name. And then, we write S something from and nothing to, and what do we write in here? We'll write the differences. So with 100 px, and then we also give it a height of 100 px. We can even change the color. But anyway, that's good enough. So, one good thing is div.hover, which means that, and then we can write animation play state, pause, which means that if you hover over it, it'll pause. What happens if we write initial? Nothing. I don't think these are real ones. So just stick to paused and running. Okay. Now, there's this animation delay. So, I write width in just because this bit is mainly CSS. Okay, what else? One other thing is animation delay. Yeah, okay. Well, that's interesting. Pausing it actually stops the animation delay too. So look, one Mississippi, but one Mississippi. That's also interesting. Maybe it's because animation delay is part of it. And possibly if I could write animation delay 1 second at the start, 1s. Okay, it won't work. Never mind, that's enough. So, what else? Maybe, how about we? Does animation time function? What does this mean? Well, linear is like a normal movement, so like smooth. Timing function. So animation timing function. So linear is like a smooth fashion. Ease in, it's slow at the start and then it gets faster. Ease out is it starts fast and then it goes slow, and ease in out is it gets faster in the middle. How I remember it is if you're in a room, first you're in talking about the start of the animation, then you're out, which means first and last, and ease means it goes slower. There's also step end, which makes it, you'll see. Maybe there's not step end, but I thought there was step end. But never mind. Let's just go. Just have a look at ease and out. You can sort of see it. I bet it would make a difference if I lengthened that and I increased the difference, so it was the same effect but continued for longer. Well, you can't really notice it, but it is in there, I tell ya. Is there anything else in animation? Not really. Well, there is actually one thing. Transform. Here there are so many things. Rotate rotates it. And I think I might not have to explain that. Translate moves it. So the first one is left to right, and the second one is up to down. See? Rotate X and rotate Y, just squeeze it in whichever one they are. So and best bit, when it goes over 90 degrees, it flips around. Now, here I am. And remember how I said I was gonna do a test for the video? I am. Okay. Okay, now, so which of the following is the correct keyframes copy? This one, A, B, C. I have a feeling some of you said C. Nice try, but then is not one. Okay, what about B? Well, let's consider it. It's percentages. B is actually the correct one. And C. From and to are real in C, but not then. So let's delete all apart from B. Now I have to put this back, but I don't mind that. And then another one here. Okay. And so, and also, just one thing, I think the color would usually show up. Huh? There's something weird about this. It's not showing colors. Even. But that's probably just because I wrote PX here. When that's the incorrect one. So then if I go back and write aqua, don't ask me. Maybe it's because these aren't percents. Aha, blue, violet. Huh, that's why. So, Let's see if that works. Maybe not. Let's see why that would be. Oh, it had an animation delay. Why isn't it doing it now? It's trying to throw the screen. This, I might explain what this is because I didn't really. So animation play state pause means it pauses it. So anyway, that's almost. So why have I now teleported here? It's because I'm going to talk to you about illusions. Encoding sounds a bit weird. I just don't want some of you to think that something's changing color or getting bigger or smaller when you're looking at your game or whatever when you make it. So I'm just going to be extremely simple on this, like max 1 minute. So if bigger things are around an object, it makes it look smaller. Then if smaller things are around it, that makes the object look bigger. And things with different backgrounds look different. Like, look at this. What color is the square? Grey. Hen. Does it change color? Well, actually, no. Still think it's grey? Correct. So, I'm just warning you. Subscribe, comment, and ring the bell. I always make more videos. For the speed, I'll usually try to make once a week, but of course for holidays and stuff, I will stop. However, on the week before or after the holidays, I'll be working on a better video to keep you working while I'm on holiday, not making videos. If you're interested in coding, but you haven't got a code runner, in other words, if you type up learn and then go to the one with this symbol, and then go to code bits and then go to new code, you might need to log in, but so you can also get it as an app. But yeah, then you can make your own videos. Don't forget what I said earlier about bells and nope, not Christmas and all of that. Thanks for watching. Bye.